Do you have a 2020 Washington quarter worth over $1,000? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be looking for on your 2020 quarter that's going to make it worth a lot of money. So let's hop right into this video. So up first, we have a roll of 30 quarters that sold for $385. Now, just to be clear, these are the 2020 W American Samoa quarters. Now, what do I mean by W? When I say that, I'm talking about the mint mark on these coins. So the mint mark on these coins is located on the right hand side of the coin. That pretty much means that these coins were minted at the West Point Mint. Now, if you guys are familiar with my videos, most of the time coins are only minted at the Denver, Philadelphia, or San Francisco Mint, and sometimes they're minted at the West Point Mint, like these coins. If you come across a 2020 W American Samoa quarter, they're gonna be worth a good amount of money, guys, so keep them safe, because again, this roll of 30 coins sold for $385. Now, this is where the money really starts to ramp up. This one coin sold for $795. Now, you may be asking yourself, why did this one little coin sell for this much money? Well, it's pretty simple. This coin was graded by a third-party company called PCGS at a mint state 67. So pretty much what you need to know is that these third-party grading and authentication companies grade your coin on a 70-point scale, and the closer to 70 you get, the more money the coin is going to be worth. Now, please keep in mind, most people that are sending to these companies either want the coin in their collection for fun, or they are full-time coin and currency experts that know exactly what they're doing and they have a lot of money to play around with. For example, it may take hundreds of coins before you land at this high of a grade, which is inevitably the main reason why this coin sold for $795. Each point difference can literally mean the difference of hundreds of dollars when it comes to the value of your coin. This coin right here sold for $850. Again, not too much to discuss here outside of the fact that it graded very highly. These coins are also going to have what collectors call a V75 privy mark. This is located on the left-hand side of the coin. So if you have that plus the high grade, you're in for a treat, because this coin sold for $850. Same thing here. The photos are not the best. I would try to take better photos, but this coin sold for $1,075. It's got that V75 privy mark. It also has a special label designated by NGC as an end of World War II 75th anniversary V-Day label, which is pretty unique. I don't see this too often, but somebody did hit that buy it now price of $1,075. Now, here's the thing. NGC has a population of 25 of these coins that graded this highly at the 68 grade. There are currently 0 higher, so there are no 69s and 70s, but I guarantee you that if a coin was to have graded at a 69 or a 70 for this specific coin, it would bring a ton of money. I would say a 69 would bring $2 to $3 grand, and a 70 would bring $5, $6, or $7,000 if it was to grade at the 70 grade, given the current market conditions. Again, the probability of hitting that high of a grade is slim to none, but there is a chance that someone may eventually hit that high of a grade, because again, this coin sold for $1,075. If you enjoyed this video, then YouTube says you'll definitely enjoy the video on the screen, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.